Good morning. It's a pleasure to contribute to the United Nations Audiovisual Library in this lecture on interpreting the International Criminal Court Statute. I'm Leila Sadat. I'm a professor of international criminal law at Washington University in St. Louis. I also am a special advisor to the International Criminal Court prosecutor on crimes against humanity. I've been working on ICC-related issues since 1994. Both as a scholar, as an academic, as a member of the International Law Association and chair of the ICC committee. I was at the Rome Conference and the Kampala Conference, and I'm a huge supporter and fan of the court, as well as an academic that really spends a lot of my time studying the court. So today's lecture is about interpreting the statute.